Hello and welcome to Group F's Project 2 for ME 3210, submitted to Dr. Hassan Rashidi on innovative idea designs. Today we'll be presenting 8 unique ideas that our group has come up with. So starting off, first idea, for most people, when you leave the home, you're leaving the home with 4 things: your phone, your wallet, your keys, and lastly some kind of headphones. This time we're going to be using AirPods. So, when it comes to your phone, there's no proper way to slim it down more than it currently is. When it comes to wallets, nobody likes carrying around a big bulky wallet, but of course, those have already been minimalized into slim wallets and minimalistic wallets. However, for keys and headphones, there is no way to make these smaller than what they are. Keys, you may be able to just toss into your pocket, but then there's the fear of course, losing them. Headphones, well, headphones are headphones. There's no way to make them smaller than they are, which is why we've come up with this idea. Combining your keys and AirPods into one case. This idea here combines uh, minimalism as well as saving space. So, as you can see, there is the slot for your AirPods, as well as 3 slots for 3 individual keys. Of course, for those who have key fobs, these slots would not work. However, on the back of these AirPods is an elastic band, similar to those that you would find in minimalistic wallets, that expands, where you would be able to slide your key fob into. Now the dimensions of this are only about 2 inches by 2.5 inches, which is just slightly larger than your normal AirPods case. But for the space you save trying to fight in your pocket between a wallet, headphones, and keys, this saves you so much more time and space. Yes. Okay.
Process.
The actual process for designing the AirPods case is relatively simple. Made through silicone casting, the machine can produce different layers and different colors. After that, it'll be placed in a hot press vacuum where it'll be baked before finally being trimmed, taken out. Now, the process itself is very simple, and to add extra slots for keys would also be simple. As for the cast itself, we just add 3 extra bases. For our second idea, we have come up with a way to combine scissors as well as highlighters, or in this case, Sharpies, pencils, any type of marking equipment. Now, this is relatively niche as carpenters, artists, designers, any type of painter would be able to use this. Now, here you can see the actual scissor design, even with the GT logo. So as you see, normal normal scissors have nothing but plastic handles, but in this case, we've decided to implement the highlighter built in directly into the scissor handle. This way, as you're cutting, you may want to mark where you want to cut or keep track of where you'd like to cut. This way, you're able to just open up your scissors, mark it, and then immediately be able to cut it, considerably saving time and space and combining two products that would normally probably be seen with each other. Okay. Although highlighters are relatively simple objects, the process to create them can be rather extensive and kind of long, as it starts off with injection molding, followed by ink mixing and color checking, then assembly of those parts into the inserting of the ink reservoir, and then the end cap assembly, the ink injection, the tip assembly, and then finally into the clip assembly. Now, although this is a long process, this can be minimized as it will be in a compact space inside that of a scissor handle, making it a shorter process.
There exist electric self-stirring mugs where a button is pressed to activate a motor. These designs typically include an electric motor and could be attached to a lid, but dealing with these components would offset the convenience of having automated stirring. This mug features a hole at the bottom where a pin with a key attaches to a stirring blade and spring. The pin is flared to remain in place and sits between the inner and outer layers. Part of the spring slides around the pin to provide torque. Finally, a detachable rubber bottom is included for easy maintenance. The material selection for this design is 303 stainless steel because it is flavorless, cheap, lightweight, and soft enough for the required manufacturing processes. The bottom piece is the only part made from rubber, to reduce costs and prevent excess slippage. As for manufacturing, the inner part of the wall starts off as a blank disc and a hole is punched in the center. This part is deep drawn to get the desired wall height. The outer part of the wall starts off as a tube and is impression die forged several times to get the right shape. The handle and bottom of the mug is forged as separate pieces and welded onto the outer wall. The spring starts off as a long blank, rolled into the desired thickness and wound into a tight coil. The coil needs to be tight enough to never deform, be easy to pull apart with little effort, and retract with a reasonable speed to drive stirring. Lastly, the rubber bottom is injection molded and is press fit into the final assembly. These days, people like to pass time on their devices while using the restroom. However, some homes have counters in an inconvenient location to put phones, watches, or other small devices. Some existing solutions include shelves, but this requires total replacement of the toilet paper holder, which is both wasteful and may be inconvenient to replace. This hook attachment stand is placed on an existing toilet paper holders to give users an easy-to-reach location for the commonly used essentials. The base of the stand is machined from an aluminum block. This process is preferred because aluminum is soft and there are non-standard features on the stand. The hook starts from a wire and is bent and shaped, and the bottom is die forged from the stopping point. The hook can slip into the hole in the stand and is fed all the way through to sit at the proper location.
The product that I designed is nail clipper with the pin. Cutting nails can sometimes be messy due to a few reasons. Nail clippings can be small and difficult to control, leading them to scatter around. Additionally, if nails are cut too close to the skin or in a hurry, there's a chance of accidentally nicking the skin, which can cause bleeding. Furthermore, if nails are not trimmed properly, it can result in uneven edges, contributing to the messiness. From the design, I was thinking of making a hole on the top surface, so the users would put their fingers in it and they can press the button to nail clip, and the nails would be trimmed properly, which results in cutting nails in good shape. Then, once the users are done with nail clipping, the nails will be accumulated inside this bin, and we press this button to slide this down and dispose them. The users are encouraged to trim their nails directly over the bin, minimizing the risk of nail clippings scattering around and creating a mess. This promotes hygiene and cleanliness in the surrounding area. Also, it is space saving. This product optimizes space utilization, especially in smaller living spaces where storage can be limited. It eliminates the need for separate storage solutions for grooming tools, freeing up valuable space for other purposes. In cases where the nail clipper and bin are both made from compatible metals, one joining process called welding can be used to join them together. Welding techniques such as spot welding or laser welding can be used to create a strong and durable bond between the components. This method ensures a permanent connection between the nail clipper and the bin with minimal additional material required. Another product that I designed is the shaver with lights. Sometimes there are places where there is no electricity or running out of power. Shaving in poor lighting conditions can be uncomfortable and may result in irritation or discomfort, particularly if users need to repeatedly pass the shaver over the same area to achieve the desired results. Shaving without proper lighting may take longer as users need to proceed cautiously to avoid mistakes or accidents. This can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially for individuals with busy schedules. From the product, I designed 6 small bulbs at the edges of the top surface so it can provide targeted illumination to specific areas of the face, offering clear visibility of hair follicles and skin surface. This allows users to focus on areas that require close attention or precision shaving, such as around the lips or under the chin, thus minimizing the risk of missed spots or uneven results. The button switch on the side is for the light bulb, and the button switch on the front side is for the blades. With enhanced visibility, users can achieve a higher level of precision when shaving, ensuring a smoother and more even shave. The lights help illuminate the contours of the face or body, allowing users to navigate around curves and edges with greater accuracy. Shaver with lights can be used in various settings, including travel or outdoor environments where lightings may be limited. The added illumination ensures that users can achieve a clean shave regardless of the lighting conditions, enhancing convenience and versatility. Micromachining also facilitates the precise surface finishing and coating of the shaver components to enhance their functionality and durability. Techniques such as micro-polishing, micro-coating, and micro-texturing can be employed to improve the performance, aesthetics, and longevity of the shaver with lights.
Imagine you're deep in work, papers spread it all out, and your focus is unbreakable. The last thing you need is a coffee spill from an accidental nudge. That's where our design comes in handy. We've developed the suction sticker, a simply yet revolutionary addition to your water bottle. This clever attachment secures your bottle to any flat surface, creating a powerful suction force that prevents splits and spills. No more coffee disasters. Just stick it at the bottom of your bottle and your drink is safe and sound. It can be used on coffee mugs as well as your portable bottles. It takes just 1 second to install and is nearly invisible from a normal point of view, so it will not affect the appearance at all. Plus, it's made of durable, non toxic material that ensures longevity and safety. Transitioning from office to other part of your day, the suction sticker proof is works beyond preventing spills. Whenever you're in a busy conference room, a quiet library, or at home, the sticker keeps your beverages secure and your space stain free. This sticker will be manufactured using a high precision injection molding process. These techniques allow for the creation of complex detail shaped with excellent dimensional accuracy, making it perfect for achieving strong, consistent suction that we need. The materials selected are premium grade silicons, which offer great durability and strong grip on any flat surface. Now, let's shift gears. After a long day of work, it's time for a workout session. It's common nowadays to follow workout videos on YouTube, but where do you usually put your phone? Is it going to be lay on the floor or leaning against a wall or other fitness facility? That can make your workout space messy or even dangerous. Here's where our next innovative solution plays a crucial role. Introducing a phone strap, a game changer for your fitness routine. This wrap secures your phone to your water bottle using a magnet, making it easy to watch videos, track your workout, record yourself, or take a phone call, all hands free. Simply wrap it around your water bottle that you are already going to bring it to gym. Attach your phone and you're all set. Your phone stays in place whenever you're lifting weights on a treadmill or stretching on a yoga mat. The phone strap design is not only practical but also stylish, available in various colors to match your gym gears or personal style. With the phone strap, your water bottle isn't just a hydration tool anymore. It's your workout companion and it keeps your workout space organized. This wrap will be manufactured using a combination of automated fabric cutting and assembly process. The fabric components are cut using laser cutting technology to ensure precision and consistency. Then, using automated sewing machinery, the pieces are stitched together, incorporating pockets for MagSafe compatible magnet. The final product is assembled with a focus on robust construction and a sleek design, ensuring that our product is both functional and fashionable.